In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download entire Google Drive to computer full guide. We'll walk through the official Google method so you can safely export everything from your drive in one go. This process uses your Google account settings and Google Takeout, and it works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Start by opening Google Drive in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Look at the top right of the page and click your account avatar or initial. From the menu that appears, choose Manage your Google account. This opens your account dashboard in a new tab. On the left side, select Data and Privacy. This is where Google groups tools related to your information. Scroll until you see the section called Content Saved from Google Services. Open that section to view your data across different products. Find Drive in the list and choose Download. This takes you directly to Google Takeout with Google Drive already selected. You should see Drive as the only item included for export, which ensures you're exporting your entire Drive content. If it's pre-selected and looks good, proceed by choosing Next Step. Now you'll set how the export is delivered. For most people, receiving a download link via email is the simplest option, but you can also send it to cloud storage if you prefer. Choose Export Once to make a one-time copy. For file type, zip is widely compatible on both Windows and Mac. Pick an archive size that matches your connection and storage. Larger sizes like 10 GB reduce the number of parts, but smaller sizes can be easier to download on slower networks. If you see format options, know that Google may convert docs, sheets, and slides into standard formats so they're usable outside Google. The defaults work well for most users. When your settings look right, click Create Export. Google will begin preparing your files. The time it takes depends on how much data you have. It could be minutes for small accounts and much longer for large libraries. You can keep working while it runs. You'll get an email when the export is ready. Follow the link in that message, sign in if prompted, and download the archive files to your computer. Make sure you have enough free space and a stable connection, and remember that the download links expire after a while for security. Once the zip files are saved, extract or unzip them to access all your folders and files locally. That's it, you now have a full backup of your Google Drive on your computer.